discover the secret behind Bitcoins, the magic of scarcity. Unlike fiat money that can be printed endlessly, Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins, mirroring the scarcity of precious metal like gold. Currently, over 18 million coins have been minted, and due to a feature known as halving, the mining rewards decrease every 4 years, ensuring the last Bitcoin won't be minted until around 2140. This scarcity helps prevent inflation and preserve value, setting Bitcoin apart from traditional currencies whose value may decline over time. As Bitcoin becomes rarer, its demand and potential value could skyrocket. Interested on how Bitcoin's unique design might redefine finance? Follow us for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency.